In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to connect Stripe to Behance. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up your favorite browser, and then from here you'll need to go up to Behance.net. Once you're inside of Behance.net, it should look something like this once you get inside of your account. Now from here you'll need to go up to your account up here, and then go down to the settings tab down here, as you can see right there. From here it should look something like this. Now from here inside of the menu, you'll be able to see connect to PayPal and Stripe. Once you click on that, it should look something like this, where you'll need to connect with Stripe right here. And this can take a couple seconds to a couple minutes depending on how fast your internet is. Now from here, you should look something like this, and here you'll simply need to enter in your email address for your Stripe account, and if you don't already have an account, you can go up to a new tab and then create a Stripe account. From here you'll simply need to click in your mail and click continue. From here you'll be able to see right here that you can sign in using your Google account or a different mail if you want to do that. Now from here you can set up a two-step authentication if you want to do that. And you can just scan this right here and then click next. And here enter a validation code. Now from here, once you've done that, it'll take you back to Adobe and Behance, and then you'll have successfully connected your Stripe to Behance account. But that's how I do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comment section below and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!